Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to draw Kid Buu step by step in an easy way. If you want done drawing something that you like, just comment below in the comment box. And now guys, let's go! final result. Kid Buu step by step. Don't forget, if you want I'm drawing something that you like, just comment below in the comment box. And God bless you. Bye bye. See you next time.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.